In a small town in India, there lived a young woman named Priya. She was beautiful, with long dark hair and a quiet smile that hid many secrets. Priya was married to a man named Vikram. Their marriage was a love marriage, something they had fought for against their family's wishes. At first, everything seemed perfect. Vikram was kind and hardworking, and Priya felt lucky to have him. But life has a way of changing things. Vikram worked in the Gulf, far away from India. He had a good job there, earning money to send back home. He would stay abroad for months at a time, leaving Priya alone in their small house. In the beginning, Priya didn't mind. She kept herself busy with housework and talking to Vikram on the phone. But as time passed, she started feeling lonely. The distance between them grew, not just in kilometers but in their hearts too. One day, while Vikram was still in the Gulf, Priya met a man named Rohan. Rohan lived in the same town and worked at a local shop. He was charming, funny, and always ready to make Priya laugh. At first, they were just friends. Rohan would stop by to say hello, and Priya enjoyed his company. But soon, their friendship turned into something more. Priya started falling in love with Rohan. She knew it was wrong, she was married, after all, but her heart didn't listen. For months, Priya and Rohan kept their relationship a secret. They would meet quietly, away from the eyes of neighbors. Priya felt alive again, something she hadn't felt in a long time with Vikram. But there was a problem. Vikram was coming back home soon. His work contract was ending, and he had told Priya he would return to India for good. Priya didn't know what to do. She loved Rohan now, not Vikram. The thought of living with Vikram again made her feel trapped. One night, Priya and Rohan sat together and talked about their future. "I can't stay with him," Priya said, tears in her eyes. "He's a good man, but I don't love him anymore." "I love you." Rohan held her hand and said, "Then we need to do something. We can't let him come between us." That's when a dark idea came to their minds. They didn't want to just leave Vikram. They wanted him gone forever. Priya and Rohan made a plan. When Vikram returned, they would kill him and make it look like an accident. Priya felt scared, but Rohan convinced her it was the only way. "We'll be free," he promised. "No one will know." They decided to bury Vikram's body in a drum and hide it somewhere no one would find it. The day Vikram came back, Priya pretended everything was normal. She welcomed him with a smile, cooked his favorite food, and acted like a happy wife. Vikram was tired from his long journey and didn't notice anything strange. That night, while he was sleeping, Priya called Rohan. Together, they carried out their plan. Rohan hit Vikram on the head with a heavy object, and he died instantly. Priya cried, but it was too late to turn back. They wrapped Vikram's body in a sheet and put it inside a big metal drum they had found. They sealed the drum tight and took it to an old, abandoned well near the edge of town. With great effort, they threw the drum into the well and covered it with dirt and stones. "No one will ever know," Rohan said, wiping sweat from his face. Priya nodded, but deep inside, she felt a heavy guilt growing. Days passed, and people started asking about Vikram. Priya told everyone he had gone back to the Gulf for work. "He left suddenly," she lied. Most people believed her, but Vikram's family grew suspicious. They kept calling and asking questions. Priya's story didn't always match up, and the neighbors started whispering. One day, a group of kids playing near the old well found something strange. They saw the edge of the drum sticking out of the ground. Curious, they told their parents, who called the police. When the police opened the drum, they found Vikram's body. The town was shocked. The news spread fast, and soon, fingers pointed at Priya. The police questioned her, and at first, she denied everything. But Rohan, scared of getting caught, broke down and told the truth. He said it was Priya's idea, though she blamed him. In the end, both were arrested. The love marriage that had once been Priya's dream turned into a nightmare. The town talked about it for years, how a lonely wife and her lover killed a man who only wanted to come home. Priya and Rohan sat in jail, their love destroyed by their own actions. Vikram, the hard-working husband, was gone forever, buried in a drum because of a love that turned into hate. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Stay tuned for more exciting stories.